How are plateaus formed in physical geography? Imagine a vast, flat-topped land rising sharply above the surrounding area. That's what a plateau looks like. But how do these impressive landforms come to be? Let's explore the natural processes behind their formation. One way plateaus form is through volcanic activity. When volcanoes erupt, they release lava and ash that spread out over large areas. Over many eruptions, layers of hardened lava build up, creating a flat, elevated surface. These volcanic plateaus can be quite extensive. For example, the Deccan Plateau in India and the Columbia Plateau in the United States are both formed this way. Another process involves the collision of tectonic plates. When two plates push against each other, the crust can buckle and fold. Sometimes, one block of crust gets pushed over another, or the layers fold upward. This causes the land to rise and from a high, flat-topped area. The Tibetan Plateau, near the Himalayas, is a prime example of a plateau created by crustal shortening. A third way is through thermal expansion. The Earth's outer layer, called the lithosphere, heats up from below because of hot material rising from the mantle. When this happens, the lithosphere expands and lifts evenly over a broad area. This process creates high plateaus without much folding or breaking. The highlands of East Africa and Ethiopia are formed through this heating and rising process. Sometimes, magma beneath the Earth's surface pushes upward but doesn't break through the crust. Instead, it lifts the land above, forming a plateau underground. Over time, the pressure from the magma causes the surface to rise. The Colorado Plateau in the United States is an example of this type of formation. To help students understand these processes, teachers can use models or simulations. For example, showing how lava layers pile up or how tectonic plates collide makes the ideas clearer. Exploring local or famous plateaus with maps or videos can also connect learning to real-world examples. Overall, plateaus are shaped by powerful forces inside the Earth. They form through volcanic eruptions, tectonic collisions, or heating from below. These processes work over millions of years to create the flat, elevated landforms we see today.